Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to a 1/18 scale video. In today's video we have this Maisto special edition, the 1948 Chevrolet Fleetmaster Woody, which is I think a pretty unique model because I have not seen anybody else make this, at least in 1/18 scale. There might be a 43, I believe Hot Wheels 100% has it in 1/64 scale, which I think I do have. Or that might be a different model. Not fully sure. But this one's definitely a unique one. It's not, I don't think it's expensive, because, well, it's Maisto. I think Maistos do go up in price ever, but I do really like this one. So let's get out the box and let me show it off a little bit closer. What's it stuck on now? Okay. There you go. So here it is out of the box. A bit dusty. I'm sorry for that, but if you have been watching my videos, you know that my space issue is pretty drastic when it comes to 1/18 scale cars. And it's pretty hard to currently say goodbye to them because I'm trying to free up space. This means I have to sell some of them, much I wanted or not. So, I'll pause the video and I'll get this off the base and I'll have a look at it closer. Okay, so we are back and it is off the base. As you can see, it is a bit pretty wobbly, but it is a big vehicle. It comes in this like brown color. It also has the plastic roof. This entire side, which is supposed to be the wood stuff, is all plastic also, but this fender is metal, so it's interesting how it's been made. When it comes to the back, the spare wheel is in the same color as the body, but it is also plastic. There are no opening parts for the back, but there is an opening side door. The back door does not open, it's only the fronts that open. There's you can have some look out inside. Have this like extra bench in the back, which is only on one side. So for that one, you even have a little rail there to hang on because so you can get into the back. As you can see, there's an extra seat even there, so there's more space in the middle. So when you get in here, so you can get to the far back, that bench is a little bit shorter. I have no idea why, but my back bench is a little bit crooked. I don't know from what the reason for that, but I know I have not dropped this thing or whatever, so I should not have any issues like being broken or anything. This window is crooked. I mean, this mirror is crooked, but that is not for me, and I don't want to touch it. Already had it like that. It is Maisto, and it's the old Maisto, so the quality is not here. It is as good as it was back then, and like I said, sadly I don't know who else, if anybody else has made this model. So yeah, can't really pick on the quality that too much here. So yeah, there's the front details. I have lens stuff. There's hood ornament on the front there. Your grill is all chromed. As you can see, there's a lot of dust here, which needs to actually be cleaned. Sadly, I don't have anything else on my hand to clean it right now, so I am sorry for that, but yeah. Here's the look from the sides. Here's the other door. It does open very easily. There's no like window here, so it's easy to open. It's plastic, so it's a bit loose, but it does stay closed, so that's not an issue. So an opening hood opens very nicely. It has the simple basic system for opening. It's not even painted in the back there. That's not dust. That's actually not painted. So it is like what it is in the quality in part. The engine's pretty nicely detailed though, for a cheap model like this. Does close. Let's have a look on the base. There's also your fuel cap. The base detail is decent. I've seen much worse systems. This one has a uniquely a suspension system in the front and the back, but it doesn't function, except for the back one at least. The front ones are very stiff. I don't want to break those, but the back ones do work. As you can see, there's there's springs in there, so it does function. But when you roll the wheels, nothing moves or stuff like that, so pretty simple. Nothing much more to say here. I didn't show the back enough. Here's your back. And that would be that, as you can see, yeah. Nice and squeaky. It does roll without any issues whatsoever, so yeah, there you have it, guys. Hope you liked the video and the car. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.